Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. And today I'm gonna give you a little beat, and that's gonna be interesting, but I don't know. Okay, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Let's go. Give me a 2 and a 1, 2 and a go, and a 1 and a go. I wanna know. What you doing just after on Mini Drum Mondays?
Wow, Zane, thank you so much. Welcome back, everybody. That was an incredible, amazing intro from Zane. He is awesome. He's going to be one of the best future drummers out there. I'm sure of it. Hey, so I just wanted to talk about the last video. Today I'm going to fix the snare drum, but I'm also going to show you a couple things I've been working on. But first off, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Alan, dude, keep the ideas coming. Alan is sending me lots of great ideas for how to make more drums, how to change the cymbals up a little bit. He had the first comment on there that was just talking about, can you kind of like thin out the cymbal a little bit so it will have a little more of a wash instead of like that pingy bell sound. I really wasn't that happy with the way these sounded on camera, so that's something that I'm going to be working on for sure. But then he also talked about how the drums are all kind of the same, so like the tone just kind of sounds the same with that and also the floor tom. So I'm working on that. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to tune them up a little bit better and how I can get a little more definition. But I want to shout out to a couple of other people for drumming on the Home Drum Set YouTube channel. I've been talking about my drum set being cool. Dude, you're cool. Thank you very much. Also, you said that it looked awesome. So Balalaika Beginner, I'm not sure. You said it was pretty cool. Thank you very much. Jeremy Luanzo sounds amazing with some emojis. Woo! Thank you so much. We've got a couple more over here. Joey Scar, you said metal rims would be awesome. Keep up the build. Thank you very much. I would love to do metal rims, man. But I think the biggest thing right now is like, how do you shape them? How do you form them? I don't have a lathe. And I don't have like a CNC machine, so the quickest, closest option to that was 3D printing, which is still expensive, but I think it's a little bit less. Crazy Fingerboards, you said it was awesome. Thank you very much. Drumming on the homemade drum set, you also said you couldn't wait for it to be done because someone else said the whole drum set is what I'm excited for, and I can't wait for you to put it all together. Jeremy Luanzo, thank you again for your excitement, man. I feel it. Thank you. But man, I'm gonna tell you, this has been a tough video. I can't figure out what I'm supposed to film and show you guys, and what I shouldn't show you. I have been working on tons of little projects on this drum set, and I'll show you. Like take a look around at my bench here. I just have so much junk everywhere, from all these tiny little projects. And like I've got 2 tables, actually 3. So here's another one. Here's the computer that I'm working on right now. But this table's full of stuff. And then I've got a workbench way over there. I don't know if you can even see this very well. Anyways, let me show you what I've got going on today, man. This has been a great test run. This is my idea of what the bass drum pedal could have been. I think I'm gonna have to redo it again. I took 2 ball bearings right here, and I put them on a metal strap to where they would be held in there, and I was able to craft a piece of aluminum to hold this drum beater stick, and that drum beater is being held right down there, right here. And then that has a screw that I threaded in, and that goes all the way down to the pedal down there. So let's test this thing out a little bit. Let me show you what progress that I have. It doesn't really work. If I put the bass drum up to it, it kind of works. But look how much it shakes. And then you hear how noisy it is. Very, very noisy. So I need to come up with another system. I think I'm getting too much noise from the wire in the pedal. So that's going to be coming. Hopefully I can figure that out. But at this point, it's kind of just frustrating because it's like, this is part of my dilemma. This is why this video is coming out today on Tuesday instead of Mondays. This is, you know, part of the main issue here is that I will spend hours working on an idea and a concept, and then if it doesn't work out, what do I have to show for it? So that's part of why I'm really confused about all this stuff, and I'm not exactly sure, you know, how to move forward every time, and how to move forward with each video every week. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, man. And so, I mean, I really appreciate the comments, and I appreciate everybody kind of just following along and supporting me, and I definitely, you know, hope that that continues. But I think right now it's like, you know, what would you guys like to see? What do you want out of this project? Do you want to make your own drum kit? Are you hoping that I accomplish the same goals as well? You know, where it sounds good and I can like record a song, an actual song with a mini drum set, you know, and those are the only drums on the track, like no other drums. You know, I think that's going to be a really cool aspect. But let me get this drum, snare drum, you know, head replaced, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I think this thing broke because I wasn't paying attention to the to how much pressure I was putting on the outside of the rim, and I wasn't being even. So I'm supposed to make sure I'm going around the drum in an even manner so that I don't put too much pressure on one side. So you can see how it all split right there. But I think that was one part of the problem. I think the other part of the problem was that I was using too thick of a head. This drum head was kind of like two pieces of plastic, and this was from a laminator page. And what had happened was that it had created like a bubble, so I wasn't able to get the air out of it and seal it up. And so I think that bubble created a lot of pressure. These other rims are able to, or these other heads are able to kind of pull down over the head, and they're much more pliable. They're much more, I don't know, rubbery would be maybe the word. And I think that helps the rims actually lessen the pressure. So I definitely need to make a different one of these. Let's try a different head. So this idea goes out to Alan as well. Alan had the idea, why not just use what material is underneath the snare drum anyways, because that could be really just like a good material for that. So I'm going to attempt to glue that there. I'm going to see if this works at all. I have not tried this yet. We shall see. Alright, let's see how this thing turned out. Well, it doesn't even really look that dry yet. Uh-oh. What does this say? 24 hours. Oh, oops. I got the wrong glue. Okay, so I will show you an update next week on that drum. But for now, let me know, do you want to see more of me building stuff, or do you want to see me just assembling the drums? Do you want to actually contribute to these ideas? So comment your suggestions below, whatever you think. Also, leave some love for Zane, man. That kid is going to be awesome in the future. He's going to be like a vocalist and a drummer at the same time. That's going to be awesome. Shout out to my #1 fan, Jesse. He is always just supporting me tremendously, giving me stuff, showing me how to use tools, helping me come up with ideas, taught me how to weld a little bit. I actually caught the bench on fire. Don't tell him I said that. Anyways, that was hilarious. But yeah, hey, if you want to send in some of your ideas or some of the things that you're working on, I will totally feature you on this channel. So feel free to send it in. My email is always in the description below. All right. At the end of the day, I want to do this thing right. I want it to work. I want it to sound good. So I'm kind of back to the drawing board on a few of these things. So let me know what you think. All right. Hey, leave some love for Zane. He's incredible. He's so awesome, man. He is my littlest fan. He's going to play us out for the rest of the video. So I will see you on the next Mini Drum Monday. Make sure you hit the notification bell, subscribe, hit like if you want to. if this has earned it. All right, well, I will see you next time on Mini Drum Mondays. Have a great day. God bless you all.
Let's go. Okay, that was it for today. Let's go.